Well, from Delhi to Mumbai now, where a congestion charge is in the offing. Yes, you'll have to pay to drive, and that might just be the next step to ease the traffic in an increasingly chaotic city, on the lines of a similar law in London.
From the familiar to the unimaginable. Well, perhaps empty roads wouldn't be a reality, but at least slightly less congested ones. That's if the state government has its way. So how would it work? Well, it's essentially a congestion charge, much like the one implemented in London in 2003. What it means is that the state would charge residents a fee for driving on the city's roads. A complex monitoring system was developed by Mumbai-based IT company Mastech Limited for London. And now the same company has been approached for a solution to Mumbai's traffic woes.
So basically you will have to pick, and identify those flyovers or bridges or parts of the infrastructure where you want to manage the use based upon each car kind of thing.
Some part of this can be recovered through user charges. Then we should be in a position to raise some corpus for either maintenance of that infrastructure or creation of new infrastructure.
The only problem, the price. The project in London was approximately 1,300 crores. In a city like Mumbai, poor infrastructure and technological challenges would only add to the cost. So what could some of the other alternatives be? Building a metro connecting the eastern and western suburbs, or the bus rapid transit system that's already in place in cities like Pune, or air-conditioned train coaches, or even a fleet taxi service. In a country where buying a car isn't really a problem, even an improved public transportation system wouldn't perhaps solve the issue. But if you're going to have to pay to drive, perhaps many more Mumbaikars would at least give the trains or buses a second thought. In Mumbai with Ruhi Khan, Shloka Nath for NDTV.
We're taking a quick break, but before that, a programming note. Don't forget to watch Kapil Sibal defending the UPA government's handling of the Indo-US nuclear deal. That's this afternoon at 12:30.